Guys, it's V. Today I'm super excited to be doing an unboxing of the mystery box from L'Amour Boutique. This boutique is owned by a friend of mine who I used to work with at Ulta, and I can just tell you guys, she is one of the nicest yet keep it real with you people that you will ever meet. She is also a fashionista, and of course we always trust the best fashionistas with boutiques. You know, you don't want to be out here just buying everybody's stuff, but I can guarantee the pieces that she chooses are quality and they're very wearable, and most definitely anybody can wear any of the pieces that she has on her boutique online. She has clothing, she has jewelry, things like that. So yeah, make sure you guys visit her website. I'll link it under this post, but yeah, make sure you guys visit her website to shop with her. But let's get started with this unboxing. First of all, can we talk about how pretty this wrapping is? Like, she's even got her logo on it, L'Amour, got the little question mark. When you look at it, it makes you think, maybe there is something in there that I would like. So let's get to unboxing. So we got our little box right here. And honestly, it feels heavy, so I'm excited to see what's inside of it. Like I said, I know how she dresses, I know how she likes to have herself together, so of course her customers, she wouldn't want them to just go out looking any kind of way. So, okay, cute. Look at the inside. It's got the little, I don't even know what to call, like confetti type of stuff in there. It's really cute. Oh. So the first thing I am pulling out of my mystery box, oh, a gorgeous, gorgeous pair of earrings. They are beautiful, y'all. And of course, we all need black anything. We need black dresses, we need black tops, and why not black jewelry to go along with it, right? Then the next thing I had is a pair of door knockers, beautiful door knockers. I'm a fan of like diamonds and gold accent type of jewelry, so this is like perfect for me. I don't know how she did that. That's beautiful. I love that pair. And then underneath, underneath, honey, look what we got. Look what we got. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to open this all the way up to look at it, because girl, this is beautiful. And that's why the box so heavy right here, honey. It is so cute. Honey, let's see it. Latrice, darling, look at that. Baby, this clutch right here. Yes, ma'am. I'm absolutely in love with this. I love it. I just want to see what the inside looks like real quick. Yeah, it's so cute. And it comes with a little chain, I guess, so you can carry it on your shoulder. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, y'all, like I said, go to her website and most definitely purchase from her. Purchase one of these mystery boxes. This is gorgeous. Like, just, I feel like I want to order another mystery box from her because it's beautiful. Like, everything that she put in there was perfect. But yeah, just order from L'Amour Boutique, guys. She will not let you down. The pieces on there are beautiful. I know specifically the dresses, honey. Those dresses are gorgeous, especially right now. She's got a couple things on there that are good for, like, you know, maybe New Year's or just even simply Christmas pictures and stuff like that. Because I know we're not supposed to be getting together like that right now, but definitely if you're wanting to take Christmas pictures or you're wanting to take any type of holiday pictures at all, those dresses are perfect for that. And really any occasion, honestly. I'm not even going to put it to one type of holiday or occasion. Anything she has on there is perfect for any occasion. Of course, things like this clutch, I'm in love with this, y'all. If you know how extra I am, then you know how perfect this is for me. I love a good statement piece, and this is definitely a statement worth making. Oh, this is so cheesy, but yeah, it's definitely a great statement piece for me. But yeah, guys, make sure you go to lamourboutique.com, and I'll definitely link it somewhere above or below this post. And yeah, you guys, make sure you shop with her. She's definitely trustworthy when it comes to the fashion. She's a great person, first of all. Definitely an amazing person. But especially when it comes to fashion, she is definitely one of the people that I trust the most. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I have coerced you into purchasing something from L'Amour Boutique. And yeah, Face the Beauty by V out.